To the markets, and it's the Nifty and the Sensex that has declined, and this is right after the US Fed decision that is rattling the markets, and the rupee has weakened to its record low. And to get more on this, we have my colleague Sakshi joining us. Sakshi, the rupee at the lowest ever, it's 85 against the dollar. What's really leading to this decline?
Absolutely, a whole host of factors really as far as the currency is concerned. But let's put things into perspective first. So the US Fed decision rattling stock markets across the board. The Wall Street also crashing in trade. The Dow logging its longest losing streak since 1974. Asian markets tumbling in trade, and soon after Indian markets, the Nifty and the Sensex declining over 1% in trade. So what really has happened? What are investors and analysts alike reacting to? Well, they're reacting to the Fed's outlook. The Fed's outlook of just 2 rate cuts in 2025 as compared to 4 rate cuts projected earlier in September. That really is significant, as the Fed is saying that, look, they are estimating and anticipating at the moment that inflation will remain stubborn and above that target range for longer than anticipated. So that's really as far as the market momentum and the market trajectory is concerned across the board. Of course, remember, analysts have been maintaining a cautious stance, as remember, when the Trump's administration comes with new policies, the spotlight really is on what impact that will have, not just on US markets, but on world markets at large as well. So that's as far as stock markets are concerned. Now let's talk about the rupee, the currency. Really, we have been seeing the Indian rupee witnessing pressure consistently in trade. Yesterday also, remember, analysts were talking about this. Today we've seen the fresh low, the rupee hitting 85 to the dollar. The factors at play really, the dollar index hitting a record high, a 2-year high, after the Fed rate cut decision at center stage as far as the 85 mark and milestone is concerned today. But the other key factor really is the fact that, look, trade deficit was at a record high, and that was also putting pressure on the Indian currency. So we have seen a whole host of reasons that are putting pressure on the Indian currency, including, of course, volatile trade as far as equity markets are concerned.